Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 side hustles for hotel employees. Let's get it.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible, the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com. Hey, listen, hotel business is great, but unfortunately it has its ups and downs. And everybody knows what I'm talking about. Every hotel has their slow season, and then of course have their peak season. And one thing that fluctuate with that is going to be payroll, which means your hours could be cut, and that's not a problem. With the way things are going in this economy, you never know what's going to happen. So you always got to make sure you have a side hustle just to supplement your income, just in case something goes wrong. So we're going to talk about the top 5 side hustles that you can do when things get a little slow, when your hours get cut, and you got bills that need to be paid, baby. Let's go. The number one top side hustle is going to be affiliate marketing or influencer marketing. You're like, why would I want to do that? Because people buy the soaps. They come to your hotel, they love the soaps, they love the sheets, they love the mattress, they love the furniture, they love the TVs, and they need a location where they can get those things from, and they need a location where they can buy it from. So if you just make a list, like you go ahead and sign up for the Amazon affiliate program or sign up for the Amazon influencer program, and you just make your own Amazon store, and you can literally get a commission off of recommending the sheets, the soaps, the shampoo, the conditioners, the mattresses, the TVs, the furniture to the guests, just with a little card and a QR code, and you'll get a commission for those sales. Number 2 is going to be gig work. Yes, gig work. And I'm not just talking about Uber Eats and DoorDash and Uber and Lyft. I'm talking about real gig work. Like you can do child care, babysitting. You can do pet care, pet sitting, pet walking. You can help take care of the elderly. You can clean houses. There's all types of gig work that's out there for you. One of the places you can go for gig work is going to be care.com, where you'll be able to clean houses, you'll be able to babysit, you'll be able to tutor. You can also download the app called TaskRabbit that lets you do the same thing, and they have some extra stuff there for you, like you can install and mount television sets inside of people's homes. It's really good, especially if you're a maintenance guy. So make sure you check those out. If you need some extra cash, need some extra cheddar, those are the 2 locations that you can take a look at and see if they got anything for you. Number 3 is going to be transportation. Yes, it doesn't take a lot to create a transportation company. And you know how it works at the hotel. Everybody needs to ride somewhere. So, just work it out with your manager or your general manager and say, hey, I want to create my own transportation company. Things a little slow around here and I need to supplement my income. You can get the insurance. You can start off with as a sole proprietor with your trade name or your name, or you could just form a corporation for a couple of $100s. Okay, you can get the insurance for your car. The insurance isn't actually that expensive. It's like a couple of $100s extra. Or you can do it even better. You can rent a car, especially if it's like a big wedding where you need like a 14 passenger van. You can rent those from Avis or Rent a Car, and of course get the insurance. But I remember those airport runs, man. People would pay a couple $100s for those airport runs. I seen someone make $400 in one day just doing an airport run. That airport run is about 3-4 hours away, but after gas they still had a nice little penny to take home. So when things get a little slow, think about doing the transportation services for your hotel, and at least they know they have someone that they can trust when they get you to take care of the transportation versus some random company that they have no idea who that person is or if they're even going to show up. Like if you work the front desk, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Number 4 is going to be social media management for hotels. Yes, everyone can learn social media management. It is a very hard skill to learn to keep up with the trends and what works, what doesn't work. But you can start out at your own property. Just talk to your manager and say, hey, I want to help this hotel with the social media. Take the pictures, take the videos. Experiment a little bit with AI and get them started. They will be your first customer, and you can use that first customer as a referral or reference for your next customer. So go ahead and start dabbling in social media, because it's really fun, especially if you are like a natural creative and you're a natural creator. Social media is definitely going to be the side hustle for you. And number 5, last but not least, we have itinerary building. You're like, what is itinerary building? Itinerary building is where you build the itinerary for people that just never been there before. They're new in town. They don't know where to go. They don't know what to do. They don't know where to eat. They don't know what places to stay away from. So what itinerary builders they do is they just go around to the local businesses, build itinerary for things for them to do when they're finished doing what they're there to do for. And just plan a little itinerary for them, whether it be 2, 5, 7 days, a couple of different itineraries to choose from. And the way you make money from this is that you get a commission from the businesses that you recommend. So every time that business gets a customer, they go ahead and send you a little commission or send you a little referral fee. How do you track it? You track it with their QR code that you put on the itinerary. So this is very, very profitable, especially if you know what you're doing. I've seen people actually just sell the itineraries online and get the commission. So these are a couple of things that you can do as side hustles to get, some extra income, during a little extra income for you. And when things get a little slow at the hotel, so you always have a steady income, because the bills don't care how many hours you get. They want to be paid. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. Thank you for tuning in for another show, and I'm signing out. Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the hotel revenue expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.